Welcome to Sando's Garage YouTube channel. Welcome back to Sando's Garage 2026. Happy New Year all. What's coming up this year for 26? We've got some new cars. We've got some modified cars. We've got a new logo, a new t-shirt coming. We've got a new track build. Not this one, a new track build. We've got more track work. So scenery, decorating, more logos, more sponsors, decals. Lots more to come in 2026. Stay tuned. Also, what's coming up in 2026, these Formula 1 cars, these old scale electric Formula 1 cars, need a refresh. New paint, new decals, I've got new tyres, probably buy some new motors for them, and some change of colour schemes actually. So there's another project for 2026. Another project for 2026, rally cars. I brought some new rally cars. These are some old scale electric ones. I'm going to tidy up, get them running again. The big thing this year, I want to build a rally stage, a single lane rally stage that's portable, on wheels, can fit in a car, and has stacks of scenery. That's another build for later this year. So stay tuned. Something else new for 2026. These AFX cars, these Formula 1 cars, they look great. They're tiny, they're fast. But I've always wanted something more true to shape. These chassis, these 1:43 scale die-cast cars, Formula 1 cars from the era, look great, and I might look at adding a motor to these, whether it's a Carrera motor or an AFX motor, but try and get these powered, and they could race on their own in their own little category of die-cast Formula 1 cars. Something I've been thinking about. I've collected these, and we'll wait and see. I'll see what I can do, but that could be another job for 2026. Stickers have arrived. Emails in the channel description. 500 subscribers means a lot to me. That's fantastic. Thanks so much to everyone that follows this channel. And for this episode of 2026, thanks for watching Sando's Garage.